Hello everyone, today I want to show you my favorite top 5 best free screen recorders to record your PC or your laptop. For these screen recorders to be on my list, they must meet these 3 requirements. Number 1, they must be completely free. Number 2, it shouldn't contain any type of watermarks in your videos. Number 3, there are no recording limits. I have all these apps linked in the description down below if you want to download any of them. And I also use one of them and it's my favorite. I'll share it with you along the way. Alright, let's check out these free screen recorders. Alright, number 5 is the Xbox Game Bar. You probably never heard of this before, but surprisingly you probably already have it pre-installed in your laptop or computer. If you're on Windows 10, go down to our taskbar and type in Game Bar. And this brings up the Xbox Game Bar. And you can use this to record your gameplay or even a browser window. There are a few disadvantages. If I press Windows G on my desktop, I can't record my desktop and I also can't record the File Explorer. It also doesn't come with a built-in editor and there is no mouse highlighter. Here you see the yellow circle around my mouse. The Xbox Game Bar won't do that on your mouse. Number 4 screen recorder is ScreenRec. If you want to download ScreenRec, just head up to screenrec.com and click download for free, or you could just click the link in the description. ScreenRec also works as a screenshot annotation tool and it works on Windows, Mac and Linux. It also comes with free 2 GB cloud storage that will give you instant and private file sharing for your recordings. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of ScreenRec. Advantages: easy to use, simple user interface, available for Windows, Mac and Linux, lightweight screen recording software. The disadvantages on the other hand is no built-in editor. Best free screen recorder number 3 is Powersoft's free online screen recorder. If you want to download this, just go over to powersoft.com/free online screen recorder, or you can just click the link in the description down below. All you need to do is navigate to this website and click on Start Recording. Then you need to click on Download Launcher and you can start recording your screen. I think Powersoft is a great screen recorder for beginners as it is easy to use, but that's your choice. Anyways, here are the advantages and disadvantages of Powersoft. Advantages: you can annotate your screen while recording. Simple and easy to use. You can have a round circle over your mouse like mine, which makes it easier for showing something. Disadvantages: cannot capture on a second monitor. Not so suitable for recording gameplay. This now brings us to number 2, which is OBS Studio. It stands for Open Broadcaster Software. It's free, it's open source and you can install it on any platform which is Windows, Mac or Linux. If you want to download OBS, just head up to obsproject.com and you just need to click on download. Or you can click the link in the description of this video. After you click on download, you should choose your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac or Linux, and click on download installer. I think OBS is the best screen recorder for experts and people who want to capture their gameplay. But in my opinion, OBS is not suitable for beginners because it has so much of options. Anyways, here are the advantages and disadvantages of OBS Studio. Advantages: intuitive interface, available for Windows, Mac and Linux, free to use, great number of plugins available. The disadvantages are: great numbers of options make it difficult for beginners, hard to master OBS for beginners, steep learning curve. And now, finally, we have number 1, which is Flashback Express. And this is also my favorite one out of all the screen recorders, and this is the one that I personally use for recording all of my videos on this channel. There's a free version and a pro version, but it turns out that the free version gives you most of what you need. In fact, the only thing that you don't get with the free version is the ability to edit your videos. However, if you already have a video editor, well then, the Express version will be just fine for you. You can access this at flashbackrecorder.com/express. Once again, I've included a link in the description and you can simply click on that. If you want to install Flashback Express, click on this, Get Express Free. I think Flashback Express is the best of the best screen recorders to use. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of Flashback Express screen recorder. Advantages: easy to use, doesn't have any limits, allow you to capture webcam and add commentary to your recordings, adds a round circle over your mouse when recording. Disadvantage: no built-in editor.
If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see future content like this, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll receive all notifications when I post a video. And lastly, if you want to see me cover any other videos in the future, please be sure to leave them in the comments down below. And as always, I hope to see you next time. Bye!